Usihlalo wesigungu esilawula isikole uDaniel Muhlala uthi yize budlangile ubugebengu kule ndawo yase Primrose abakaze babe nayo lenkinga ngaphambilini.
I think the MEC must support us with the security to make sure that early in the morning and during learning and teaching they must move around the school and then search those who are coming up with the illegal stuff.
Owengamele Ezemfundo Egauteng uMatome Chiloane uthi lo mfundi wenze into engakaze yenzeke.
I'm going to do anything to make sure you are safe. Even if it means beefing up security, I will do that. We'll make us just to make sure that every time you come here, you are safe, including the teachers.
UChiloane unqenqe abafundi ukuthi bakhulume ngezinkinga ababhekene nazo.
If you have problems and you are not at home, speak to a teacher. Even if your parents are giving you problems, come to the teacher.
Ikhansela lendawo yase Primrose lithi kufanele kuqine ezokuphepha kulesi sikole ukugwema esinye isigameko esifuzelesi.
Ultimately, Primrose is an area that is badly affected by crime. We are having such problems. I can assure you that all of you today walked in here, you were not searched, you were not checked. And these are the type of things that we're bringing up. We need to ensure that this is a place of safety for our children.
Thishanhloko olimele uyelulama isibhedlela kanti okwamanje kuqokwe ibamba lakhe kulesi sikole.